Okay, now for the next step of our marketing checklist. We've done craft your story. We've done targeting our audience. We've done messaging. Now it's time to talk about channels. This section here looks really short, but let me tell you, this is where, for you, for the planners out there, this is where things really, really get interesting. And we'll go into how to use AI to identify which channels you should be targeting based on that target audience that you put together before. So we're going to reuse some of those documents and templates that you filled out. So thank you. And let's just dive right into it. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is if you click on this template here, and I'm going to click on the Wonder Badge dashboard one, you'll see this is the weekly. This is the monthly tracker. And you'll see there's all of these different, over here on the left, there's all of these different channels, all of these different KPIs, which stands for key performance indicator. So these are the metrics that matter that we're going to be tracking month over month. Because just a single snapshot of data is not that helpful to us. What's helpful to us is to see the trends of data over time so we know where to kind of drill in and accelerate things, fix things that are broken. And you'll be amazed when you start tracking data how much of a difference that makes to growing your business. So we've got social media, we've got email, we have content marketing, we have SEO, we have paid media, and then under each of those, obviously Facebook, Instagram, etc. Okay, so there's a lot here. So the first thing we're going to do, let's go back to our marketing checklist. Under identify relevant channels for each audience, we're going to click on that one as well, which takes us to here. And this is going to show us which ones we should be focusing on first based on the audience that we want to target. And we're going to use AI to help us out, but you'll still want the templates available in this marketing checklist. Okay, so segments. It says that we need to add the segment details here first. But if you remember, if we go back to our marketing checklist and we come up to audiences, define your target audience and segments, we click on, this is the Wander Badge example, but we've already done this, which is really cool. So we can actually just copy these three audiences that we put together and come into here and we can paste them. Okay, and then let's go back to audience again, and we can actually take all of this content here. Let's go ahead and grab number one, and we'll paste in the details right here. Oops. Paste. Okay, let's grab number two. Oops. Got it. And we'll paste. And let's grab number three. I'm just going to do all three of these at the same time. And we will paste. Okay, so now, if you remember before, we have this little light bulb here, which basically gives us a prompt that we can enter into ChatGPT to fill all this out for us. So let's see what it says here. It says, complete this table by adding an X in the cells that best match the audience type within the marketing channels. Okay, so let's copy this text. Okay, and then we're going to take it over to ChatGPT. We're going to paste it. All right, and now we need to add the table. So we're going to go back to the table now with the cells that you just filled in there, and we're going to select this entire table here. We're going to copy that, bring this back into ChatGPT and paste it and click enter. Let's see how it goes. All right. It's giving us more information on targeting for each of these. Awesome. Okay, that was fast. Okay, so now we're going to want to take this whole table. And unfortunately, you're not really able to just copy and paste it directly into this document. I don't think it'll let you do that. Let me double check. Yeah, it doesn't let you do that. So you're going to want to open up a brand new spreadsheet here, and you can paste it. And then once you've pasted it here, you can copy from this one from a formatting perspective. And you can paste it there. So there we go. It messes up some of the formatting on the cells, but that's fine. So now we've got which marketing channels that we should focus on based on the audience segments that we created before. And I'm just going to go through and I'm going to pick this adventure enthusiast and Globetrotters one. And we're going to start putting together a content calendar for that audience based on where this is saying that we should be targeting. So that'll be our next one. So let's go back to our Wander Badges marketing checklist. We can come down here to identify relevant channels for each audience and click completed. All right, we'll see you next for establishing the content distribution plan.